Hey, what do you want me to do with that?
Treasure.
Yeah. All right, did you see the baby sheep?
No.
Huh? Oh, I didn't get the other walkie-talkie. Want me to get it? Okay. Check. Hold on. Power on. Show me. Power on.
Hello?
Power on.
Hello?
Channel 19. What do you got there? What channel? 19. Perfect. Okay, don't hold the button in.
Hello? Hello?
Let go of the button. Hello, Rick. Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can.
You gotta push this button in on yours hard. Yeah. Say something. You had it.
I love you. Where are you? I'm lost.
I love you too. You're not lost. You're gonna go up here to the sheep.
Okay.
We'll find you by this baby sheep. Over. You'll come to a fork in the road. Turn left.
Okay.
At the end of the road, you'll turn left.
Which one is it left?
You gotta just remember. Over. No, over. Yeah, that's right. Oh, shh. Oh, let's be quiet now, these sheep. Shh, quiet, a little softer. Hi. Lincoln Log Cabin. We love this place. Psst, over. Officer 2, come in.
What?
Let's go up here. I see a couple people by the sheep. Let's go check them out. Over.
Is this the sheep?
Chickens.
Can you see her?
Chickens. Tick, tick, tick. Oh, there's the rooster.
Yeah, rooster.
He's the boss. Science questions? Will you like it? Shh, over.
Okay.
What?
Okay.
Shoot.
What?
We've got a question about sheep. Do you know the answer? Over.
So, this is the mama right there, and she has horns.
Yeah, sheep. Sheep are that way.
Do all sheep have horns, or just
I
certain?
think when they get older.
But then, like, so these don't. So, is there a difference between like sheep and?
Are we sure that's the mom?
Yeah, 'cause she's got big udders. And
Those
they're
are udders.
milking on her.
That's not nutters.
No.
Look at those baby sheep.
The other thing is the sheep have long tail. The babies do, but the other ones have dock tails.
Those are dogs.
They're sheep dogs.
Sheep dogs. They bred them to look just like sheep. That way they can blend in with when the wolves come.
So, but I'm curious on the whole tail thing. Like, do
Yeah.
they dock it?
Those are dogs.
Look what I found.
They probably do cut their tails.
Oh,
Can
cool.
I see what you found?
The raker, that's what comes off of the
Wool.
sheep.
That's what they're made of.
Then the other neat thing is you can see where their umbilical cord's still drying up
Oh, really? Where?
on their bellies.
Oh, they're
There's a
young.
little stick.
How'd you know they were here?
I saw it on Facebook.
Oh, of course.
It's not a bad thing.
No, I'm saying, of course,
We wouldn't have came.
the fast news. News travels fast via the book. But yeah, I've never seen a sheep with a tail like that, I don't guess.
I know, me neither.
Sheep do have tails over.
But then do they dock them? And if so, why?
They gotta cut them probably.
But why?
They sell them on the black market. Over.
Quiet. I want to see the
Quiet. Talk to you guys later.